What's happening, people? So today it's a little different type of video. So we're here in Gillies, in the main strip of Gillies. If you know Marrakesh well, you got Les Capad right there. We're just gonna go inside, check out the new office that we secured a couple of days ago. So we're just gonna take some measurements, some pictures, so we can basically get ready for the, well, I won't say renovation, but just basically getting it ready for business. So yeah, come, let's take a look at the new office. Walk with me. So guys, you can see, nice and sleek. Got everyone's mailboxes here. Ours will be there soon. I think number 19. Where is it? Right here. We've already got a letter. I don't know what it's for, but it looks like a bill already. But nice little entrance, common space. Now we're gonna get the lift up to the 3rd floor. On another day, I'll go up the stairs, but for the video, we want it to be smooth. And Jamal don't like going up the stairs as well. I'm not gonna lie to you. Please enter the lift. And I always got to do this when Jamal's on the lift. Hey. We've only got one key for now, but we're gonna have to get these copied. Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum. Please welcome to our new business location. Look at that nice, spacious, open space. The previous tenants, they had separated each space. I'm guessing they had like booth. This is gonna get, booted, not physically, but properly. This side as well. All gonna get taken off. So what we're thinking to do, we're thinking to separate each space but with glass doors. So like you see in law firms and corporate spaces, they've got like boardroom type of style rooms with glass, made out of glass, rather than this just looks cheap. So we're gonna get that installed. The floor, I'm a bit torn on this one, I'm not sure. Our other business partner wants to put wooden floor. I'm thinking if we're gonna change it to put marble. And then here, you've got the old company banner, obviously that needs to get taken off. You've got some competition over there. What are you saying, some blinds? Maybe get some blinds installed for some privacy. Got a central AC system. And yeah, this is about it. It's about 85 square meters, so it's decent space. When this is removed, it will look a lot more spacious. And we'll show you the whole process from turning it in what it is now to the end product.
Guys, I also want to tell you something. We are gonna absolutely, I don't want to swear because I'm so pumped and excited, we're going to disrupt this market. Let me tell you why. The estate agency industry here, it's very different to how Europe does it. Me and Osama, we've done amazing business in Morocco, but we've also got that European mindset. The way we're going to do things differently is the attention to detail for clients. International investors are taking over Morocco. Now, typically, when you have an agent, most agents are coming on a moped, you've got a missing tooth and a cigarette in their ear. It's kind of hard for them to sell a £500,000 villa, or for someone to trust in that person. This is why we're doing what we're doing. Not only are we going to be targeting apartments as well, but more of the luxury side of Morocco. It gives investors a peace of mind that we are a buyer's brokerage and we have their main interest in our favor. What that means is they'll be able to come to the office, they'll be able to meet the team. We will be able to find and source them exactly what they're looking for at the moment in Marrakesh, but slowly starting to transition into Tangier, into Agadir, into Casablanca. We want to be known to have an agency in 5 of the major cities in Morocco. What we're going to do is going to change people's life and change people's investments. I'm pumped! Like, do you not see this? Are you not see? But look, this is going to be so different. Like what Osama said, we're going to have a glass boardroom meeting. We'll have maybe 3-4 desks here. We'll have a waiting area. I even want to create a mini prayer room. It's going to look good. This is the before. Hopefully afterwards, you're going to see the after, and you're going to be just as happy as I am.
You guys said you wanted to see some refurbs live. So yeah, we're giving you guys what you asked for. We've got a few projects coming along. So this is not the only one. This is like a small, I call this like a cosmetic upgrade or cosmetic change. But we'll give you some hard refurbs very, very soon, inshallah. That's a little walkthrough. We'll see you on the next videos. We've got a lot more content coming soon. So stay tuned and we'll catch you very, very soon. Say goodbye to the viewers.
Peace.